Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samiksha. Happy Independence Day to all of you. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. From British rule, we celebrated. Today we are celebrated as 78th Independence Day. We go to school and attend the national hosting the national flag. Uh, freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. Many countless freedom fighters gave their life for nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anusha Singh. Happy Independence to all of you. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. India got independence on 15 August 1947 by British rule. We celebrate this day by singing national anthem and also we sing patriotic song on this day. We also host our flag and we salute our tricolour. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chris. Today I am here to give speech on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15 August 1947. Today we are celebrating our 78th Independence Day. The first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the Indian flag at Red Fort for the first time to celebrate the country freedom. The whole nation celebrate independence by hosting the national flag. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nilkant. Happy Independence Day to all of you. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August on every year. Our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the national flag at the Red Fort to celebrate the country's freedom. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day. The whole nation celebrate the Independence Day by hosting the national flag. We should always respect our national flag and proud to be an Indian. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tushar. First of all, I wish a happy Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. We go to school to attend the flag hosting ceremony. We should always respect our elders, teachers, etc. We should always try to help each other and try to being good human being. Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ruchit. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15 August. On this day, we got independence from British rule. Today, we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. On this day, we honor to sacrifice our freedom fighters. We go to school to attend flag hosting ceremony. We sing national anthem and rise salute to tricolor. Friends, we should always respect our nation and feel proud to be an Indian. We should help each other and we should help each other. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sahid. Happy Independence to all of you. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15 August. India got independent on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Asa. Happy Independence Day, all of you. Jai Hind, Bharat.
Morning everyone. My name is Nupur. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day celebrate on 15 August. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harsh from class 8B. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day celebrated on 15 August. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British. The first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the Indian flag first time to Indian celebrating for freedom. And we go to school to attend flag hosting ceremony, and we should always respect our elders, teachers, and family members. And we should always try to each other and try to become good men. Thank you.
Good morning to Mananal. Myself Sushan Bhoya from class 8 is standing for to give speech on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day at 15 August. We celebrate today. We are celebrating our 78th Independence Day, and India got their freedom at 15 August 1947. And our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoist the flag at Red Fort first time, and we should not forget that our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Myself Swanim standing before you to speak on the topic Independence Day. We all are gathered here to celebrate a very important day in our history, Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. Freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many more sacrificed their life for us. We should feel honored for the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. One of them, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, gave a slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." In Hindi, it is said, "स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध है और मैं इसे लेकर ही रहूंगा." We go to school to attend the flag hoisting ceremony. People celebrate the Independence Day by hoisting the national flag. They show their love towards India by singing national anthem and saluting the national flag. We should respect our friends, teachers, and elders, etc. We should always respect our tricolor. We should become a good human being and help each other. Thank you. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Hardik. Today we are celebrate Independence Day. Celebrate every year on 15 August. 15 August. Independence Day is celebrated on Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Swadeep Mala from class 8. Today I am going to say speech on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 78 on every year on 15 August. This day is the most important day for all us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Today we are celebrating our 78th Independence Day. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country, and we have our own fundamental rights. The first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the Indian flag at the Red Fort for the first time. The whole nation celebrates the Independence Day by hosting the national flag. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Priya Gupta and that we all know today is the Independence Day. So wish you to all happy Independence Day. Today we got the freedom of a British rule and this day we celebrate it to every year. Today we are celebrating a 78th Independence Day. India was celebrated this day like a national festival of our India, 15th August. 15th August is a most important day for our Indian history and all our hearts. So friends, I have one request for you to please respect our flag and be proud to become an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to one and all. I, Sonal Gupta from Standard 10, here to present a speech on Independence Day. First of all, Happy Independence Day to all of you present here. Our India got freedom on 15 August 1947. We are here to celebrate 78th Independence Day. Many freedom fighters have sacrificed their life for this day. Freedom fighters like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and countless many more have sacrificed their life for this day. One of the freedom fighters, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, has given the freedom, has given a slogan: freedom is the birthright, and I shall have it. We said in Hindi, स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं उसे लेकर ही रहूंगा. We go to school on this day for celebrate the flag hosting ceremony. We should always respect our teachers, parents, and elders. Friends, we should be proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to respected sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Salon Jirwar, and today I am going to speak a little speech on Independence Day. First of all, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to one and all present here. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Today we are celebrating our 28th Independence Day. The first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, has hosted the Indian flag at Red Fort for first time to celebrate country's freedom. Friends, we should always respect our national flag and proud to be an Indian. We should respect our elders, teachers, and our elders. We should always help each other to be a good person. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.